Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Eclipse IDE software on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the interesting thing. This software is not available on the Microsoft Store. I searched for it. It's not available. I can also search for it with the name Eclipse, but I doubt I'll find it. So here's what we can do. We can open Bing, and I'll tell you why we can open Bing, because Bing has this new feature where the download page for the original website is mentioned in the search results. So simply search for Eclipse ID or Eclipse IDE download. Okay, and you'll get this download option here. Click on it and it will redirect you to the official website. Now click on the 64-bit version. I don't think anyone uses 32-bit these days, but yes, they have that option too. Now click on download and it will start downloading, and then you can simply click on the exe file and it will start installing the exe file on your system. Once the Eclipse installer has been installed on your system, you have to select whether you need it for Java or C++ or whatever. So let's say it's for C++, then select these options and then click on install and click on accept now, and it will start installing the Eclipse IDE for C++ on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.